Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing SB-1 returning resident visas. Now, for those who are unaware, the SB-1 returning resident visa is kind of exactly what it sounds like. It's basically a visa for someone who's been outside of the United States, and this someone is a person who's a resident, a lawful permanent resident of the USA, somebody who's a green card holder, who's traveled abroad and then remained abroad for a period of time where the rebuttable presumption has been raised that they've essentially abandoned their residence in the United States. The SB-1 returning resident visa was created specifically for these individuals. It was designed to provide a visa to allow someone to return to America and take up their residence again. Now, this isn't an overly it really is not a commonly used visa. In fact, I've talked to other immigration attorneys, and most of them have told me I've never done one in my life because it's really something that's basically done abroad. And I've also, and when I say other immigration attorneys, I mean people that deal with immigration a lot, and SB-1 just isn't a very frequent occurrence. The other, thing is I do operate abroad outside the United States, and I really only see a fact pattern which warrants an SB-1 maybe once or twice a year max. And some years go by and we never even deal with an SB-1. So it's kind of an infrequent thing. They are very useful for the people to whom they apply. So, if you need an SB-1, if you are a resident and for whatever reason you got stuck out of the United States for a period of presumably over a year at least, but sometimes even over 6 months can trigger this kind of stuff, then an SB-1 may be the solution to whatever problem you've got in returning to the U.S. The question arising to me in the past couple of weeks, somebody asked me, have you done a lot of SB-1s? Another practitioner asked me, have you done a lot of SB-1s since the beginning of 2021? Presumably talking about all the travel restrictions that came up in 2020. For the most part, no. I actually haven't seen a lot of these issues. We have dealt with folks that could otherwise have needed an SB-1, but under the circumstances, we managed to find a solution to their issue with other methodologies. And in some cases, they just got on a plane and went back to the U.S. There were just, depending on the facts, we just didn't need to use the SB-1. Although moving forward, it wouldn't surprise me before the year closes out if we didn't see more, at least one more probably. It wouldn't be shocked to see one this year. By the end of 2021, see a new SB-1 application need to be filed because of the circumstances that came up in 2020 and the ramifications associated therewith.